Hello, today we're gonna draw how to draw a cute little kitten. So let's get started. We are gonna use a curved surface to start with it, just like this. Okay, it has to be curved, not just straight. Second of all, about your cute little ears. And it's really, and you have to trim the cute little ears side to side. Third step is kind of easy. You have to straight up it. Just like this. And that's all. And now for the fourth step, you have to draw the cute little eyes and the markings. Let's do that. Just like this. And then we're gonna do the body now. Actually, we're gonna add the two little pink ears using it. And at the end, you can pause the video if I'm going too fast. You have to do the cute little ears lining. And then you have to do like a Among Us body. Just like this. But it's not that. And then we add like two broke hearts. Like this. And then we do these. Just like this. And now we're going to add the whiskers. Sorry, I'm just erasing the leg because I did them too crazy. Like that. And now, if you want, you can add accessories. We're gonna color now. I was gonna do green eyes, but you can copy me even if I'm going too fast. So I was just gonna use some green eyes. It's green. And color the cute little eyes in. Now I'm gonna use like a gray. Then I'm gonna do a cute little gray cat. I don't know if I have a gray, but I'll use my pencil shading. I have two cats named Stella and Snow White. Well, I'm doing Stella because she's all gray, but Snow White's just like a plain white cat with like a butterfly head. I don't know what to call that, but it's my first time doing a how to draw video. I made this up. I looked in my book. I looked on my book, and it said like how to draw, like, and I tried to copy it, and I did. I was like, ooh, how about I do like a how to draw video, because it's my first time, and maybe if you follow and if you subscribe this button, maybe I can make more videos. Maybe next time I'm going to do an animal one with like Monroe M. Trying to color it in with no worries, but I'm trying to do it really carefully, but it's not working out that well. This is my third time drawing this kitty, but I never did it. I never done it on YouTube, but You know that chocolate video? I was hyper. I know that. You saw the cute ass wrestling. Yeah. They're just kidding. No worries. Ooh, it's really hard. Since I went over, I was gonna use the color the pink for the cute little ears, even the nose. So let's do that. I did that. Have you ever on Instagram? If you subscribe to this button again, I can do more videos of doing cute little kitties or dogs, even maybe people. You vote, comments down below which one, a new message. And her daughter, 7 years old now. My mom draw cute bunnies. We have bunnies in our backyard. Maybe at the end of the video, I'll show you my cats. That's my dad. It's black. I forgot you were her for a second. I'm so almost done coloring. Well, since we're shading, I will outline, at the end I'll outlining all the things, and then I was gonna add like cute little decorations. I'm done, and then make sure you remember once you get to 2 million subscribers. So we have to do it. So far, let's hope we're done. No much. Love to be friends. Like marker, Rex lost it, but it's over here. Sorry about that. I have this whole case of markers. And like pencils and like pastel crayons and paint. And 2 erasers I never used. I was gonna outline this. Okay. I'm just trying to go really fast, and you can always pause the video if you want. Or you can just, or if it's really too difficult, you can go to the next video. It's okay if you don't want. It's fine. You can go to even like somebody else, like our Kid for Fun. He has really good videos. Sorry, I'm doing it over. Sorry, I can't do no fur, but I maybe would on the body. Maybe not. I was gonna erase some of the things so you can maybe see. So you can maybe see eyes. Now I'm done with the head. I have to do all the second leg, and I'm done. I will do egg decorations. I'm gonna go fast forward. So I did. I'm gonna do a decoration. So I'm gonna have like off white, like yellow. See that perch over there? That's my cat, and I'm trying to do that. She loves to be on there. Stella. So, if you want to copy me, you can. I do like this, and then we just move on. And I'm just going to start coloring in. I'm going fast forward. So sorry that happened. I did not mean to do that. This fell. Sorry. This fell. I'm not going really fast forward. I'm trying to hurry on. But I fast forward at this version. Now I'm gonna get my pencil. Now I'm gonna draw a cute little ball. I did it, but I'm coloring that this yellow and the cute little dots at the bow. And now I'm drawing the silver pencil. Now I'm done. Hold done. You can label them if you want. If you have a cat, even if you have a cat, you can even copy the color. Or if you have a dog, you can copy that. Or if you want, I could do a dog next time. Thank you for watching this video. Give a thumbs up, smash the video. Just kidding, not just tap it. I hope you have a great day. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, and if you want me to make more how to draw videos, you could comment down the box. Now, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm just tracing it. Now I say, oh, bye-bye. Whoa, it got really small on my leg. It's fine. No.
Myself?
Yeah.
Pretty.
I'm not done yet. Still videoing. There, I'm done now. Make sure to subscribe to Junie's channel right there. Right there. Make sure to like if you like the video. Maybe I can make more how to draw videos, and that will be great. Maybe next time I'll do a dog with your name or a cat. Well, I'll do a dog next time because I did a cat right now, or I could do a pony. Well, thanks for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Bye, YouTubies.